Hey guys, good evening. Good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Speak English with Anil. So, guys, very excited to be here right now. So, because actually I was coming on the way, I show on the people's and unconscious one people on the ground in the right now. So, because actually savoring the all his body. So, because actually I helped him to because actually the people's. Gradually the get up and properly, so I give you the 10 rupees and for eating and this time. So because actually I don't have any more money on this times for helping, only I have 10 rupees, so I gave him. So right now, so because actually today is a very cold, guys. So nowadays and these days it started and winter season, because actually so many people is the and savoring is cold and this in this time. So because actually I'm so very already I put on this my head the cap and wearing coat, for the protect to cold and this time. So very and today is the rand in the morning today. So a little bit. So right now, so because actually suddenly is the started and winter season, highly. And I would like to say that, and because uh, cold suddenly started increased and back to 5 days. So right now, so because actually the people's please dress very well. So please going to outdoor and please protect you always, because actually can be the fever. And because actually, guys, I have fevers back 3 days, because I took medicines already. So because actually no any recovers and this time. So actually I show you, and you can see, guys. So already I took medicines from checkup to doctor, and doctor told me please take a rest. And around 2 days 3 days actually, because I told him, so because actually I can't take a rest more than, because actually I don't have more time, because I have a lots responsibility, and I have to earn more money for protect my family. And because I can't live on extra, because actually today. So because actually I'm about to go to my hometown, and this in this month, but actually I can't go there. And my mom already is telling me please come to home right now. So because actually already I refused her, because I can't come and this month. Because so, guys, actually this is my blog, only English blog. So we are learning English and increasing vocabularies, grammar as well that. But actually I'm so very happy right now. So because actually I'm explore my home. This is my luxury home. So you can see behind a lots the fridge and things. And you can see, guys, already I told you. So because these channels only created for the my beginner, my who peoples learn and improve English. And I hope that you will do the hard work and every day, because for the learning. Because actually I have promised myself, and I will speak already in English. Anybody actually don't afraid to anyone, because I have whatever I have experience I am sharing in this video. So guys, uh, you can see, guys, this is my wooden temple. This is my LED. So you can see, guys, this is my LED. So after that I will watch movie and tonight with my family, because and this time the off. And you can see, guys, my fan. This is my there is a lot of things put on the tables, and there is a section of cloth and fabrics. And you can see my wall watch, and this time. So because I'm very happy right now. So guys, please subscribe in this channel, so who peoples want to learn English and very improving and these days English. So guys, I'm so glad happy today. So actually I want to explore, and there's the market, and cities, and the all is video in English, so who people learn. And so very excited. Please guys, put on the cloth always, because actually outdoor is very cold, is wind is blowing very cold, so weather so super cool the outdoor, because it's and this time the wind is blowing, and so right now, so actually I'm shivering, and this time so already I put on my jacket and cap also. That answer very happy, and good night. So once again guys, uh, I would like to achievement and to uh, 2025, and I have decided myself, because actually I will become good speaker, English good speaker. The who people's telling me actually I can't speak English properly, but actually I have determined, I have the challenge to them, because once day I will become the good speaker, and a lot of people are laughing at me, but actually I don't care them, so I don't know. So I have left all as them, because actually I do not care anything else, because this is my target is actually I want to become a good speaker, English good speaker in my future. So kindly guys support me and help me, and please humble request, please subscribe this channel for learn English, who people want to learn English. So guys, so actually this time I have fever already, I took medicines. Actually actually I'm this time I'm going to cook food, and so guys, actually already I have created the my second channel, cooking related videos. So I make every day Anil Maurya. My second channel name is Anil Maurya UP42. Please, you are very interested to cook food, and please subscribe. Actually, which is share all recipe, the which is I cook every day. I will share, and please watch till in. So kindly thank you for the watching me guys. So because actually I'm going to cook food, and my time is overall completed, because actually I don't have more time for making video. So meet you the next video guys. Thank you for the watching me, and please subscribe this channel for learning English. So thank you, and once again actually a very happy new year 2025 guys, and I hope that you will get a new opportunity and for the speaking and improving your English. Thank you for the watching me, and love you guys. Bye bye, take care. Bye bye guys.